everyone, so today I'm going to talk about how to prepare for posting something on social media. The most important thing is to make sure you brainstorm your idea. So what type of idea do you want? Do you want to create a blog? Do you want to start a video? Or did you want to just create a quote or a meme or a photo? Like, what kind of content are you interested in showing to your followers and subscribers? So the next step, once you create that idea for blogging, what type of topic do you want to talk about? Do you want to talk about how you started your business, or do you want to send a blog that was written by someone else to your followers? And for videos, what kind of topics do you want to talk about, such as it could be about finances, how to start a business, stuff like that. For social media posts, what kind of posts are you willing to share with your followers? That is most important. This could be with current events, past events, or just something you create on your own, such as a quote or a photo that will inspire your followers and subscribers. And the last but not least is make sure you take action. This is the most important step. You cannot skip this step, or you will always be in planning mode. Sometimes you just have to step outside your comfort zone and just do it, no matter how people will judge you. So I hope you found this video very useful. If you have any questions or concerns, please respond below, and otherwise I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.